How to set stop loss on MT4. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 4 app, and now you can see there is trade option at the bottom of this section. So just tap on the trade icon, and now you can see I have already taken my trade in here. So what you can do is you can simply slide it to the left, or you can simply just hold the AUDCAD or the trade that you have taken. So just tap on it or hold it, and you can see there is modify option just popped out. So just tap on modify, and now you can see there is a stop loss option in here. So you can simply tap on plus or minus, or you can simply adjust it manually, and finally tap on modify, and yeah, you will be able to set your stop loss in MT4 successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to set your stop loss in MetaTrader 4 app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.